Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris and this is Pnwrc Madness. I just wanted to make a quick video today on the Traxxas Sledge, and well, we're gonna go ahead and fix it up with all the correct parts. We have here a rear left arm. Guys, you have to buy them separate, front to rear. They're not the same. And then because, well, I'll show you when we get them out of the truck, we broke the rear pin in the left side into like 5 pieces. Now, like all my other trucks, guys, I'm using these 17 millimeter hex by Pnwrc Madness. I'll leave a link in the description below. And then check this out, guys. You can buy my wrench, Pnwrc Madness. It's a 17 and a 24. Damage we did. And yeah, really quickly, guys, I don't have these rings, but a buddy of mine from 3D RC prints these. So, all right, so we got the rear left wheel off, and I can kind of show you guys just, we got the GPM hubs. We carry all these parts actually, guys. Even the trail parts, we still have a few of those left, but we got the GPM hubs. I don't know if we have these actually. We got the GPM plus 13s. And then check this out, guys. This is fully upgraded, and just really quick, I'm not going to show you everything. We got the Max 6 G2, so this is the Bluetooth one. We got the GPM full chassis kit on here. We got one left. If you hit me up, I'll give you like 25% off. I have a silver one left in stock. I did a quick video. We're running this 55 kilogram servo by Hobby Park. GPM steering rack. We have these parts in stock, and GPM shocks. Guys, okay, before we start, guys, check this out. We're out here in the sun. You can see the whole build. This is the Hobbywing 1650 kV. We got the GPM setup in here. It comes with the chassis, comes with the servo mount, and it also comes with the diff, the center diff. I have this left in stock in silver. That's about it. Today we're going to be running the truck on these SMC 6S lipos, and I don't remember what shock oil we have in here, but I do know we have M2C pistons, so let's rip. All right, guys. Oh man. Look at these tires, guys. It's like a feather compared to that X-Max. Woo! She is smooth, guys. Let's send it. Oh, it broke again? All right, guys, we're gonna go home and fix it up, and we're gonna get back down here. I got a feeling that pin was already snapped because, yeah. Okay, so we made it back home, and we didn't break the arm. We just snapped the pin, and that is all that is left. So I got a feeling it might have been cracked before, so we'll be back down in 5 minutes. Let's go. All right, there we go. Slide again. Here we go. Well, at least it didn't break. Only the wing. Well, that's crazy, guys. I ain't never had that happen to my wing before. I'm telling you, today is just not the day for the Traxxas Sledge, but let's keep going, I guess. Oh, the body's about to pop off too. Here we go. Jeez, guys. There we go. All right, here we go. Flying it. That was a good one. That was an awesome one. Something's broke for sure on that, guys. Oh yeah, she broke. Well, guys, I gotta be completely honest with you. The sledge, I know it's pretty heavy. Stock is amazing, but yeah, the tires probably are a bit heavy for this hard bashing. But guys, check that out. We're done for the day. Yeah, we're not fixing that. That's the stock outdrive, and then we just broke the screw like normal. And I've never done that before. We broke the wheelie bar, or not the wheelie bar, we broke the wing mount